dear student, for the first segment of our grade 8 science class of St. Peter's College, Colombo Fondigambo branch. Today we are going to talk about human organ system. Today I am going to talk about the first part. Human excretory system. Now we are going to talk about our excretory system. Before that, we are going to talk about what are known as excretory products. What are known as excretory products? The useless products that are produced during chemical reaction within cells are known as excretory products. What is excretion? The process that removes the excretory products from the body can be known as that process as excretion. So my dear children, human excretory system, under that we are going to talk about excretory products of a human. There are three: in exhaled air, sweat and urine. What is the containing exhaled air? Carbon dioxide gas. In sweat, urea, uric acid, water and salt. And urine, in urine, urea, uric acid, water and salt. Those are the excretory products of human. Now we are going to talk about there are organ systems specialized to perform the function of excretion. Now we are going to talk about, there's a table, you can see the headings: excretory organs, excretory products and the form they are excreted. Lungs. What are the excretory products? Carbon dioxide, water. The form they are excreted as exhaled air. We discussed earlier. Kidneys. Excretory products are urea, uric acid, salt and water. The form they are excreted we can consider as urine. The third excretory organ that we are talking about, our skin. And what are the excretory products in our skin? Little amount of urea, uric acid, salts and water. The form they are excreted as sweat. So those are the excretory organs, excretory products and the form they are excreted in our human excretory system. Now we are going to talk about during chemical reaction which take place in human body cells, nitrogenous byproducts are produced. That's it, nitrogenous byproducts. These nitrogenous byproducts are excreted from the body through kidney as urine. Therefore, the urinary system is considered as the main nitrogenous excretory system in our body. What is our main excretory system in our body? Urinary system in kidney we can consider as the main nitrogenous excretory system in our body. So my dear children, now we are going to talk about the main parts of the human urinary system. So it is in your textbooks also. You can see there are two blood vessels, aorta, inferior vena cava in blue in color, aorta in red in color. You can see the right kidney and the left kidney, and renal vein and renal artery and ureter and urinary bladder and the urethra. Those are the main parts of our human urinary system. So they have given here also kidneys, ureter, bladder, urethra. Those are the main parts. So if I'm talking about the kidney, there are two kidneys. You can see there. the right kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney. Do you know what is the reason for this? Because to accommodate the liver in our body, in our stomach, so for that reason, the right kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney. So the other details, if you are talking, it's a bean shape. You can see that it's a bean shape organ. And that is 13 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide. You know, human kidney, that is an adult size. So if you are talking about the renal artery, you can see the renal artery here. It supplies the blood to the kidney. And the renal vein, you can see the renal vein here. So that is carries away the blood from the kidneys. So my dear children, I am going to talk about the ureter. Ureter, the filtered excretory products are carried by the ureter to the bladder. So you can see there are two ureters, right and left. So both ureters started from kidneys, right and left kidneys. So it takes the filtered excretory products up towards urinary bladder. Then the bladder, you can see the bladder here. So the excretory products, so urine we can consider, are temporarily stored in bladder. Then, so that is the, you can see the bladder here. Then we are going to talk about the urethra. You can see the urethra here. So, when the bladder is full, what will happen? The person urinates through urethra to eliminate the unwanted product, that means nitrogenous waste. What are the components of urine? Do you know what are the components of urine? So, water, urea, salts, uric acids are the components of the urine. Okay, my dear children. Now we talk about the part of the urinary, our human urinary system. Now we are going to talk about the main parts of human kidney. You can see the human kidney here. It's like a bean shape we discussed earlier. Then, when we talk about the internal structure of the human kidney, so there are two main parts. The one is cortex, the other one is medulla. We are going to talk about the renal cortex. We can take cortex. So renal cortex consists of a lot of blood capillaries, dark in color. You can see the layer, that layer is cortex here. So there are a lot of blood capillaries. So blood capillaries help to bring the, you can see they are dark in color, the blood capillaries. Then we are going to talk about renal medulla. You can see the renal medulla, triangular shape. The structures are in renal medulla. There are triangular shaped renal pyramids. So we can name as those triangular shaped structures as renal pyramids. Renal pelvis. What is renal pelvis? You can see the pelvis. This is the area of the pelvis. Narrows and open into the upper end of the ureter. This is ureter, you can see. This is upper end of the ureter. Pelvis opens to the upper end of the ureter. Tips of renal pyramids are directed to the renal pelvis. You can see tip of the renal pyramids all are focused to the renal pelvis. That is the internal structure of human kidney. Now we are going to talk about the diseases and the reasons for the kidney diseases and the reasons for those diseases. First of all, I am going to talk about kidney stones. What are kidney stones? You know the chemical compound named as calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate deposits in kidney and form crystalline structures. You can see here the stone in kidney there. So it because of the calcium oxalate deposit in the kidneys. What are the reasons for that? Not drinking enough water. My dear children, you have to drink enough amount of water. If it is not, you have to suffer that sort of diseases, kidney diseases. Taking salt diets regularly. If you are eating a lot of pickles and lime pickles, so the food which contain large amount of vinegar, then you are taking salty diets. So you have to reduce it. Not passing urine at proper time. Remember it well. The second one that I am going to talk about, kidney failure. What is kidney failure? Functioning of kidneys get disorders we can name as kidney failure. There are several reasons for that. Let's see what are the reasons. Entering of heavy metals and toxic chemicals into the body. You know, heavy metals. Arsenic, mercury, those are there another. Those are, if it is entered to our kidney, so we have to suffer kidney failure. The second, suffering from diabetes for a long time. If it is not controlled, it will be the problem. So it causes for kidney failure. Third one, using drugs for long period of certain diseases. Some they are using for some sort of diseases. They are using some tablets, some medicine for long period. Sometimes it may cause us for kidney failure. Smoking and consuming alcohol. That's also one of the reasons. You have to remember and think it well. So my dear children, finally I am going to talk about kidney infections. Kidney infections, the urethra can be infected by microorganism and causes kidney damage. So because of that, maybe our kidney may be infected. So my dear children, now we are going to talk about how we have to keep our urinary system very healthy. Tips to maintain healthy kidneys. First, drinking enough pure water. You know now it. Second, limiting consuming too much salt and sour food. Reduce little. Do not smoke. Do not consume alcohol. Control blood sugar level. If you are suffering with diabetes, or if you are an adult suffering, adults are suffering with diabetes, so you have to let them to control blood sugar level unless they may have to face for kidney failures. And next one, cleanliness of the surrounding area of the urethra. You have to clean that area well. Now we are going to talk about next time about other human excretory organs. Okay, thank you and God bless you, my dear children.